Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be teaching you all how to make a bottom navigation bar in Flutter. We will be using the same template, the live template we made in the previous videos. For this example, I will be using Android Studio, and I hope you all join with me and go throughout this course. Alright. Let's go under the container and give a bottom navigation bar reference. We choose bottom navigation bar reference and inside we give bottom navigation bar. Likewise, you can give a color for our bottom navigation bar. For that we use a property called fixed color, and inside we can give colors dot blue accent as the color for our navigation bar. What this does is gives a color for our bottom navigation bar, which will be placed right under the application. Now we can give some icons for our bottom navigation bar. For that we go up and after the state my app we place a list with bottom navigation bar items as list, and under it we place a string constant of value equals null and int constant of index equals 0. Now let's make the init state and give our list of items to be added to the navigation bar. For that we type @override and void init state, and inside we say list equals new list. Even though this is deprecated, we can still use it. Now let's add some bottom navigation bar items to our list. For that we type list dot add new bottom navigation bar item and close it, and inside we can give an icon for it. For our first bottom navigation bar item we type icon, and inside we say icons dot people, and we can give a title for it as well. We can put a text to our title. For the title we will give people. Now let's add two more bottom navigation bar items to our list. We must copy this and paste it twice, and in here for the second item we can give weekend, and for its text name we can give weekend, and for the third item we can give message as its icon, and for the name title we can give message. Now in the next step we'll go to our bottom navigation bar and give it an index, a current index for it as the index that we created earlier. Now we will use another functionality inside the bottom navigation bar. For that we go inside it and select on tap. What on tap does it is gives commands whenever we tap our bottom navigation bar. So inside we say int list and I'll pass our list, and inside we say set state. Set state is used to do dynamic functions inside our application without blocking our main thread. Now we assign our index to our list, and after that we'll set our value and it will become equals to a string where we say current value is $, and inside we say index dot toString. The next step, we'll have another text value inside the column and inside the children widget, and we'll assign our value to it. Now in the bottom navigation bar we have to give a items reference. For that item reference we must pass the list. Alright, now everything is ready. We have coded our bottom navigation bar, and now it's time to run our application and see the output. I'll press run our application and I'll meet you after my app has been built. Alright, now as you can see here, our app is working perfectly well. We can see our bottom navigation bar in the bottom where there are people, weekend and message, and when we click on them the current value also changes. When we click on people the current value is 0. When we press on weekend the current value is 1, and the message when click returns the current value of 2. And our app bar is also working perfectly well, and the increments and decrements are working perfectly well. And that's it guys, this is it for this video. I will be joining you all with another tutorial tomorrow. I will show you new widgets in Flutter tomorrow. Till then, see you guys.